Okay, we're going to solve these two equations by completing the square. So first off, let's look at the first one. You can do this way here. You know the vertex, basically, I know this is like the negative 12. If I look at my middle term and divide it by 2 times the a term, or basically the middle term, I get that negative 6, which I'm going to square, which is going to be 36. So what I'm first off going to do is this. I'm going to move my 5 over. I'm going to add that 36 right there. But if I add to one side, I got to add it to the other. I'm now going to know I have an x minus 6, which is the number I had right there, was 41. And then I can just square root these like that. But then I have positive and negative square root of 41. Add your 6 to each side, which I cannot add to 41, so your answer will look like that. Means the vertex will be at 6, x-axis equals 6, and then with the x-intercepts will be plus square root of 41 from the x-axis and minus square roots of 41 from there. And the other one, I'm going to do the same thing here. So this time I'm going to I take the 18 and divide it by 3. I know that I'm going to get a 3, that 2 times 3. 18 divided by the 3 right there and divided by 2 is going to give me what I call my middle number. First off, let's minus that 14. Make the work easier. This is why we do this, to factor that 3 out. So now I'm going to have that, add that 9. But I'm not adding 9, I'm adding 3 times 9, which is 27. So, which is 13. And now then to solve, you're going to divide each side by 3. Alright, and then you square root. Well, the thing about it is, you have this plus or minus 3 with the square root like that. You have to rationalize your denominator. Alright, so which means I take 3 times each of these. So I have the square root of 39 over 3. I'm now going to minus the 3. So I end up with that for an answer. Alright, it could be like that. Alright.